Okay, now we've gone all the way around the state here and ironed on our edge banding and trimmed it off. So the last step is going to be to put a little bit of color on this edge banding if you want to. This is optional. I'm going to use some very light stain here. This is a water-based stain. I prefer to use water-based stains because they're environmentally friendly. They don't give up a lot of fumes. But you can use oil if you want. So just take it, put this color on, brush it on all around. Kind of want to draw the color towards the bottom, so you don't want to slop a bunch onto the corks. Just paint this on there. Just about like that. Now, ordinarily, I would let this stain sit for, up to half an hour, because water-based stain penetrates slower than oil stain. So what we'll do here is we'll just assume that we've waited for about 30 minutes. And just take a rag and wipe it off. Now this stain isn't very dark, but it just gives it a nice little sort of sheen. If you want it real dark, just use a darker stain. Come back and just wipe it off a little bit, any place where there's some goop. Okay. You'll probably want to get your corner a little better than I got mine, because I was trying to do it fast. But that'll have to do for now. And just wipe it and rub it a little bit. And let that dry several hours. And this next step is optional. If you want to, you can take the lacquer like we did before and just put a little bit of lacquer all around the edge. If you're going to use this as a trivet for putting hot pans on, you don't want to put any lacquer on the corks. But if you're just going to use it for like a bulletin board, put magnets or a little hook on the back and hang it up to stick messages on, you can go ahead and spray the corks with the lacquer. Just give them a light coat like that. It'll bring their color out a little bit more. And that is pretty much it. There'll be a little bit of trimming. And just little bits of touch-up to finish it up. And there's your Texas trivet.